the safe zone!
This is how I start my day, with lots of vitamin D to stay energetic and yoga to stay alive for the entire day. And of course, being a CA student, yoga helps me to achieve a union of mind and body with sense of peace and harmony.
When I take a walk in my garden, these ixora flowers make me happy. Daily, I keep water for birds in the summer season. When I add fresh water, they start chirping. This is red whiskered bulbul. Bulbuls love to take bath. This is the pair of red whiskered bulbul. They drink water cautiously. It is called as red-vented bulbul.
I start my day with catching the buzz which is going on the Dalal Street and with the CNBC headlines, taking decisions of which stocks to buy or hold or which to short, and so on and so forth. Being a commerce student, there's always a natural attraction towards the stock markets, and what other than this can be the best time to look into the markets and study them?
The most exciting thing that I've been doing is learning the Italian language. I'm not fluent at it, but it's a start. Here I am trying to memorize and revise some body part vocabulary. I'm of course doing it through resources available for free, YouTube and some podcasts. It's been so much fun to do it, especially because I'm doing it for myself and not for school or college, or because I'm obligated to. I would highly recommend taking time out for yourself and doing something that interests you.
That's it for me. Arrivederci.
What I love to cook the most is bhakri. Yes, you heard it right, bhakri. It's a pretty unusual dish for someone liking to cook it. But what I feel, making bhakri requires perfect culinary skill. It begins with kneading the dough with proper consistency. It should not be too hard or not be too slimy. Then comes my most favorite part, flattening the dough with your hand. This helps you to have a proper control over your body. But apart from this, what I learned from cooking is आधी हाताला चटके तेव्हा मिळते भाकर. Really, these efforts are worth taking, and nothing is more satisfactory than having a perfect circular bhakri and seeing a smile on your mother's face. I know the times are tough, but this too shall pass.
Hello friends, during the lockdown time, I have learned to make delicious dishes because many people say that a way to heart is through a stomach. It helps me to remain enthusiastic for a whole day, and to make a person happy by serving food is my hobby. I have tried too many dishes. It made me happy. Lockdown period has given me chance to develop cooking skill and sense.
As lockdown 3.0 has been imposed by our government, it is very important for all of us to invest our time thoughtfully. Being from foodie family, cooking and eating variety of food is just like it runs through our veins. So here also I've tried to make my own ice cream by adding some of the readily available ingredients, just like biscuits, cakes, chocolates and some basic ice cream. So this helps me to make a wonderful dessert for me.
Like a bird on a tree, I'm just sitting here. I got time, it's clear to see. From up here, the world seems small. We can
The most pleasing work that I'm actually loving to do during this lockdown period is just getting reconnected with my passion for painting and sketching. Playing with colors, paints brings out a new ray of hope in me. Being at home and having ample amount of time available, and that too away from all those hectic schedules, is actually the best time for imbibing new skills, learning new activities. I am using this lockdown period in a productive manner so that I am able to upgrade myself in the every way that I can.
आपल्या मातृभाषेत म्हणजे मराठीत एक सुंदर वाक्य आहे. ते म्हणजे जे न देखे रवी ते देखे कवी. आणि त्या दृश्यास जो कागदावर उतरवतो तो म्हणजे चित्रकार. चित्रकार जेव्हा चित्र काढत असतो तेव्हा ते काहीतरी विचित्र अशा प्रकारचं दिसतं. पण तोच चित्रकार जेव्हा ते चित्र आपला जीव ओतून पूर्ण करतो तेव्हा मात्र ते चित्र साक्षात स्वप्नातलं उतरलेलं दृश्य दिसू लागतं. तसंच काहीसं आपल्या आयुष्याशी होत असतं. आपण संकटांना घाबरायचं नसतं, त्यांना तोंड द्यायचं असतं. म्हणजे सर ते शेवटी आपल्या आयुष्याचं चित्र एका सुंदर कलाकृतीप्रमाणे होऊन जातं. या लॉकडाऊनमध्ये मी पेंटिंग, स्केचिंग अशा नवनवीन प्रकारच्या कला
I start my day with a cup of coffee and reading some books. Painting is my passion, so I always busy with my drawing books, brushes and paints. In art, the term painting describes both the act and the result of the action. Painting helps us get distracted from our problems. It is also help us identify our feelings and increase our expression capabilities. It is a way for children to do many important things like convey ideas, express emotion, and use their senses.
Nataraj, the god of the dance. He is not just the god of the dance, but my inspiration too. Bharatanatyam, the dance form, gives me strength, positivity, and happiness. During this lockdown, I am able to spend more and more time with my dance, correcting my footwork, choreographing new things, understanding different art pieces are the things which I love the most. Playing with mudras, talas and jatis brings a lot more energy, and I don't even understand how the time passes and yet another day comes to an end.
I love to read books, so I am taking this lockdown as an opportunity to read maximum number of books that I can, which would not have been possible due to normal hectic schedule. Also, as there is a kind of restricted access to physical books, I am trying to make efficient use of technology by availing the services of Kindle and Google eBooks. I also try to capture some moments in my camera which help me to take a much needed break from studies and help me focus.
I sit in my car with the notepad and pen with some birds chirping around. Before some months, I didn't even think of writing a drama or short film, but yes, I used to act in them. This lockdown gave me this opportunity. So, I sit and think of various concepts and write them down. I also make some good videos, and here's one for you.
ए मंगल मूर्ति, ये 3 मई के बाद लॉकडाउन खत्म होगा ना रे? हाँ? ये राजू!
Staff created a LinkedIn profile. Next we start with lectures. During the lectures, note making is must. That will help you a lot. So this is how the quiz is conducted. These are the completion certificates. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.
श्रीकृष्णाने पांडवांना प्रत्येक संकटाच्या काळी मदत केलेली होती. मग ते द्रौपदी वस्त्रहरण असू दे किंवा कौरव पांडव युद्ध. कौरव नेहमीच दुराचारी व वाईट वृत्तीचे होते. पांडवांनी 5 गावे मागितली होती, पण तीही कौरवांनी दिली नसल्यामुळे हे महायुद्ध झाले. हे महायुद्ध कुरुक्षेत्रावर घडले गेले. पांडवांचा विजय होतो कौरवांवरती, धर्माचा विजय अधर्मावरती होतो. तर ह्या महाभारतामधून काय घेण्यासारखं आहे तर नेहमी सत्याचाच विजय होतो. जर का तुम्ही सत्याच्या बाजूने लढलात, तुम्ही जर का सत्य बोललात, सत्य वागलात, तर विजय नेहमीच तुमचा आहे. तुम्हाला भ्यायची अजिबात आवश्यकता नाही. परित्राणाय साधूनां विनाशाय च दुष्कृतां धर्म संस्थापनार्थाय संभवामी युगे युगे असं श्रीकृष्ण म्हणून गेलेलं आहे. तर याचा अर्थ असाच की ज्याप्रमाणे धर्म हा साधूंचंच रक्षण करतो, सज्जन लोकांचं रक्षण करतो आणि दुर्जन लोकांचा नेहमी संहार करतो, तर ह्या धर्माच्या रक्षणासाठी मी युगानयुगे हा स्वतः जन्म घेईन असं श्रीकृष्ण म्हणलेलं आहे. त्यामुळे नेहमीच आपण सत्य बोलावे, जेणेकरून आपलाही फायदा होतो, दुसऱ्यांचाही फायदा होतो. कोणाशीही वाईट काही बोलू नये, वागू नये, कोणाशीही वाईट धरू नये, ज्यामुळे देव आपल्यावरती कृपा करत राहतो व देव आपल्याला सदैव आशीर्वाद देत राहतो.